Hi Palak, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm very well. Welcome to Enterprising Youngsters.
Thank you so much.
Palak is joining us from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India, and she's recently started very yummy pizzas she makes. A new startup she started here in India. So Palak, do you want to tell our viewers about how you come about this idea and why did you start making pizzas?
So, my friends constantly had been asking throughout lockdown since we couldn't order to make food for them.
Hmm.
And my mom was like, why don't you do this for, for a while and actually make it professionally? So, we started, like, it just was born from a small idea and it became this big thing. I did not expect it.
Okay. So, Palak, tell our viewers, do you have any formal education in cooking or have you done any courses which would give you the upper edge onto doing what you're doing at the moment?
Actually, yes. I did my undergrad in culinary arts and food service management.
Okay.
And then I went to Italy to specially study Italian cuisine. That's why, pizza was a thing I could do easily here.
Okay. Very interesting. Palak's pizza are yummy and I've tried them. So, Palak, tell us how you started this brand and how did you go about it? A little bit more about it when after you started.
So we started with like this small idea, and then I contacted my friend for the branding and stuff, and that was done very swiftly by her. And then it just motivated me to just go all in. And then we started the pizzas. I started taking order. I sent out the messages to friends and family, and some pizzas to everyone for sampling, and
Okay.
that's how it began. And now I do it every day, and it's amazing.
Okay, great. So, Palak, tell us how did you come up with a name? It is a very interesting name, and I'm sure our viewers would love to know about how did you come up with a name.
So that's a funny story. It was my actual Instagram handle, my personal Instagram handle, and then my friends just started calling me P Jazzy, and because P Jazzy pizza sounds like it rhymes, it's an alliteration. So I just went with that because it
Okay,
has and
very
stuff.
interesting.
Thank you,
It is simple, but it's unique, so it is fantastic.
thank you. It is hard for some people to pronounce, but it's nice. I like
Pizzas, pizzas. I'm
it.
going to remember that. Okay, Palak. So, can you tell us a little bit about the challenges you faced or you did not face, or how did you go about the business? Because I'm sure that each and every one of them, and little bit about how did you start, where did the funding come from, if you want to talk about that.
Yeah, absolutely. So the funding is actually my dad has supported me throughout this thing,
Okay.
and it was his. He's been telling me since the past 2 years to do something with my talents and stuff. So this is a motivational factor for him all to also to invest in my venture.
Your venture.
For the matter of how like challenges and stuff, not many challenges, since this is a very, like, I give pizza to people love it and they tell me about it, but then there are some people who don't enjoy the crust or something because they find it different. So that's about the only challenge.
Okay. So, how different? Because I think I've tried your pizza, and from what my experience is, very personal experience is that it's typically authentic, the typical Italian crust. So, I think, but generally, Ahmedabadis love their Indian touch to it. So, is that a problem or is that a challenge?
That is definitely a challenge. People ask me to make it extra spicy, or people want like chicken on pizza. For me, that's sacrilege because my chefs in Italy taught me the no meat except for pork meat goes on pizza. So that is something I get a lot of requests for and stuff. And I hate to say no, but like it was something I wouldn't do.
All
So
right. So
that's
you want to keep it authentic and you don't want to alter it to just suit the needs of the community who's ordering. That is fantastic. I think it requires a lot of courage to take a decision like that. So tell us, Palak, where do you see yourself in another 5 years?
In 5 years, I probably have my own restaurant with, like, I've been wanting to do this thing with sandwiches, like world sandwiches, like banh mi or something from a different country, hoagie and stuff like that. I'll open a fancy sandwich shop. And before that, I want to gain experience at a few different restaurants and see how it works and how you go about managing a restaurant. So that's the plan for the next 5 years.
Okay, and have you made any of these, or you just make pizzas? Have you made any of these sandwiches?
I have actually, yes. But I
And
don't sell it, but I would love to do that at some point, you know?
at some point, best of luck with that. I'm sure that I would be the first person to order if you make that, because I love sandwiches. So, Palak, my last question is that what motivates you?
For me, I think food since I was 10, 11 has in itself motivated me. I see an ingredient and I'm inspired. But like what keeps me going is my passion for cooking and feeding people. So that's the only motivation I need.
Okay. And anything else which pops into your mind?
I think, yeah, that's about it. And definitely doing all of this makes my mom and dad super happy that, you know, like I have some fun activity to do while making money. So this is a dream come true for all of us.
Oh, that is fantastic. I think that has been the case. Most of the youngsters I've been talking to on this platform, that, you know, they are so happy that their parents are happy.
Yeah.
So that is that is fantastic. So Palak, thank you so much for being on this platform. I'm sure that there are a lot of women from around, actually young girls from around the world, who would be more than happy to listen to you, and maybe they are hesitating to start their own startups, and I'm sure that it will inspire them to do that. So thank you for taking out time and speaking to us on the platform.
Thank you so much. This was fun.
So, to all my viewers, if you're watching this for the first time, we have amazing girls like Palak on this platform on a regular basis. So, do subscribe to my channel. And we have other playlists also where we talk to other super women from around the world. So, I'm sure that you would be very interested in subscribing to my channel and knowing what we are doing here. Thank you once again, Palak. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.